Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to fix waiting for activation in iMessages. So if you have to know what is done in this video is for you. I have in here this particular error and you can see in here that I have this waiting for activation. So if you have this particular error, then don't worry or don't be scared because I have 4 good and reliable methods that can help you with this. So what we can do first is to head over to our first method, which is called toggle iMessages and FaceTime on and off. So it just says it. So let's head over to the settings right here. Now when you're in settings, what you can do is you can scroll down on your messages. So let's scroll down and you have in here messages. So click on it. And once you have clicked on it right here, next thing you need to do is to toggle iMessage off. So in here, I have this in here, the iMessage. Click on it and it's been turned off. And now let's turn this on. And now it's been turned on. Now the next thing we need to do is we need to enable airplane mode. So let's head back to the settings page of this. Scroll up until you can see the option for airplane mode. So right here, let's click on this airplane mode right here. And as you can see, it will enter the airplane mode of iPhone itself. Now we need to head over and turn on Wi-Fi. So in my case right here, I've already turned on Wi-Fi. As you can see, I'm already connected to it. Now we need to head back to our messages. So let's try to scroll down. Click on this messages right here. And on this messages, make sure to actually turn it on again if you actually turned it off earlier. So once it's been turned on, we need to go back again to our settings and we need to look for the option called FaceTime. So scroll up until you can see the option for FaceTime, or you can also just try to scroll down. Now if you can't find it, one reason for this is you haven't installed it yet. This FaceTime is actually a pre-installed application on iPhone, but you have the option to uninstall it. One option you can do is you can click on search right here in order to search for FaceTime. And if you indeed doesn't have it, what you can do is you can head back. Then look for your app store right here. Once you have clicked on that, you can head over to your app store through this way. Now you can see in here the loading screen, but once it's done loading, you should be able to see the search icon that will help you search applications on your app store. Click on this search icon right here. Click on this search label. Search in here for FaceTime. So let's search. And now you can search in here for FaceTime. So in here we have FaceTime right here, so you can open it up right here, or if you haven't installed it yet. Now you just need to toggle FaceTime on or off, or you can also just uninstall it if you want it to be. And now once you have installed and reinstalled FaceTime, let's head back to our settings right here. And then let's turn off our airplane mode. And then as you can see, it will turn off our airplane mode and you should be able to see if your iMessage is now activated. So let's proceed to our next method. So the next method allows you to go to your settings again. Scroll down until you can see again the option for messages. So click on it. And once you're in here, next thing you need to do is you need to look for the option that says send when received. So let's scroll down right here. And from in there, you should be able to see some few more options. So you have in here this send and receive option. You can click on that and you can choose if you want to send and receive through your Gmail, through your phone number itself, or to your other email or iCloud emails that you have on your actual iPhone. Now, once you have done that, scroll up, head over right here to your Apple ID, and from in there, scroll down until you can see the option for sign out. So just head over and sign out your actual Apple ID. And then once you have signed out your Apple ID, head over and sign in. Now from in here, you can toggle iMessage and FaceTime up and off again. So you can search in here for iMessage. If you haven't located it, it's under the messages. Toggle it on or off. And then once you have done that, turn Wi-Fi on or off as well right here. and then wait for a few minutes. And after you've waited for a few minutes, you can toggle iMessage back on again. So let's head over to our messages right here. Toggle iMessage on, and then click on your send and receive in here again. And then once you have done that, you can head over and use your Apple ID for iMessages, and then from in there, sign in through there on your Apple ID. The next method we have right here is to restart your iPhone. So in order to make this possible, we need to restart your iPhone by pressing and holding the side button and sleep wake button. So you can use your side button on the Apple or the iPhone 8 and up. You can use your side button, but if you're on an iPhone 7 below like me, you can choose to use your home button and also your power button in order to restart it. So when you head over and do that, so let's try to do that right here. So as you can see right here, this will actually allow me to restart my iPhone by sliding the power up and restarting it again. Now, once you have restarted your iPhone, you should be able to open up again your actual iPhone itself and head over to your settings app. Then scroll down and head over to your messages right here. It's located in here. Click on it. Then toggle iMessage on and off again. Now, once you have done that, you can head over right here again and look for the FaceTime and toggle also the FaceTime on or off. Once you have done that, we can actually see if your error has been lifted. Now, let's head over to our fourth method, which is called Reset Network Settings. In order to do that, we need to head over again to our settings. And onto our settings right here, we need to find the option called General. So here's General right here, so click on it. And then once you have done it, you can scroll down. So let's scroll down. And you can see in here the option for transfer or reset iPhone. So what we can do in this case is we need to click on it. And you have in here two options again, which is reset or erase all content and settings. So we don't have to erase all contents, we just need to click on this reset option right here. So let's click on reset. And in here you should be able to see some options, right? Reset all settings, reset network settings, as well as keyboard dictionary, home screen layout, and also location and privacy. So in this case, what we can do is we can head over and reset network settings. So click on this reset network settings right here. And then once you have clicked on that, you should be able to enter your passcode, and take note that this will not erase any information from your iPhone except Wi-Fi passwords and Bluetooth pairings, wherein you need to re-enter your Wi-Fi password and pair with any Bluetooth devices. But once you have done that, you should be able to lift the error that you're having on your iMessage. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks!